Shed building mistake number 6, choosing a high-maintenance exterior. Mostly this means don't make the mistake of using solid wood, which requires a lot more upkeep and has the potential to deteriorate much quicker than better materials available today. Shed building mistake number 7, underestimating time. Everything takes longer than expected, and building an outdoor structure is certainly no exception. Plan for weather delays, a sore back, material delays, etc. Shed building mistake number 8, installing untreated wood too close to the ground. Untreated wood siding or trim installed too close to the ground will likely rot. If you want your shed to last longer, opt for treated, durable materials close to the ground. Shed building mistake number 9, it's too small. No matter how big you build your shed, you'll inevitably wish it was bigger. We have thousands of great shed plans in the link below. Shed building mistake number 10, the ceiling is too low. Oftentimes homeowners build a shed with too low of a ceiling, which will cause problems when you want to store large items inside. If you're planning to use your shed as a woodworking shop, the ceiling should be at least 9 feet tall for dealing with chic goods. If you're adding an overhead door, the ceiling should be at least 16 inches above the opening. For more information about sheds and some great shed plans, click the link in the description below and start building your dream shed.